everyone. In the last video, you have seen about different types of graph. We have discussed already. Now, in today's video, we'll discuss about circle graph or pie chart. Okay, so now you must have seen such type of graphs, right? Where some circle is made and something is written over there, right? It can be in percentage form, it can be in R form, or it can be in degree form, in any form. Okay. Now, suppose this equation, this pie chart is given to you, and you need to find the different fraction total. Okay, so now here you can see it is written the time spent by a child during a day. In a day, a child sleeps for 8 hours, goes to school for 6 hours, play for 3 hours, other work for 3 hours, and homework for 4 hours. Now I want to know what fraction of a day he is spending on homework, is spending on playing, on going to school or sleeping or other work. So how we will find? So how many hours are there in a day? So total hours in a day. How many hours are there in a day? 24. Very good. So if I want to know the fraction for sleep, how many hours child is sleeping? 8 hours. So out of 24, because total is 24 hours. You can add also, right? 8 hours child is sleeping. It means 8 ones are 8. It means 1/3 of a day or total a child is spending in sleeping. Now I want to know that how much time spending in school. Okay. So for a school, how many hours? 6 hours out of 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. 1/4 portion of a day child is spending in school. So like that you can find for different things. Okay. Let's find for homework. For homework, if I find 4 out of 24. 4 ones are 4, 4 6. It means total 1/6 portion of this circle a child is spending in doing homework. Now for playing, 3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours out of 24. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. It is 1/8. So a child is spending 1/8 portion in playing, and same 1/8 portion. Why? Because here also 3 hours. 1/8 portion for other work. So like that, we can find that how much fraction of this whole a child is spending for that particular activities. Okay. Yes. Now let's see these questions. Now first this question it is saying, find the fraction of the, okay, yes. Each of the following pie charts gives you a different piece of information about your class. Find the fraction of the circle represent each of these information. You need to find the fraction of the circle. Okay. Now, girls, what fraction of your class is girls? Total 50% plus 50%. How many percent? 100. So for girls, how will you find? Total here 50% upon total, that is 100. 50 ones are 52s. It means half of your class is girls, and similarly 50%, so half of your class is boys. Okay. Now here I want to know that yes, transport to school, that what fraction of total students are transport, like are coming by walk or by cycle or by bus or car. Okay. So now here we'll see total 40 plus 40, 80 plus 20, 100. Okay. So for walk, if I want to know the fraction, 40/100. Okay. 4 to the 8, sorry, 2 to the 4 and 2 5 the 10. That is 2/5 portion. Children are coming by walk. Here also 40%, that is 2/5 portion. Here 20%, so 20/100. So 25 is 100. So it is 1/5 of the portion of the children are coming to school by cycle. Okay. Now let's see in a particular class how many or what fraction of children loves math or what fraction of children hate maths. Okay, so now here it is 15%, and we know total percentage is what? 100%. Okay, so let's find for 15 and total 100. Let's simplify this. 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. So 3 by 20. So out of 23 portion children hate maths. It means how many are left? 17. So 17 by 20 fraction of the children loves math. Okay. Now next question. Answer the following question based on the pie chart given here. Okay. Which type of programs are viewed the most? You can see this entertainment because it is 50%. Okay. So entertainment. Now second, which two types of programs have number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel? Okay. Now see, if we add news channel and informative, total we will get 25, which is equals to the sports. So which two programs? News program and informative programs, right? Okay. Now, next comes how to draw a pie chart. Okay. So how to draw a pie chart? If suppose this percentage are given. Okay. Then how will you draw? Now, we always draw pie chart or circle chart in circle. Circle means what? This one. It means we are basically taking complete angle, that is 360 degree. So this 360 degree angle will divide according to the percentage. Okay. So now how we will divide? Now here you can see flavors. It is given chocolate, vanilla and other flavors, and students in percentage preferring the flavors. 50% of the children prefer chocolate, 25% of the children prefer vanilla, and 25% of the children prefer other flavors. Okay. So in fraction, we first of all will find in fraction, and then the same thing we will find a fraction for the degrees. Now here total percentage is what? 150 plus 25 plus 25, 100. So to out of 150%, that is half. Okay. Now this half. So we need to find for this 360 degree half. So half of 360 is what? 180 degree. It means if this is the circle, this one portion is for chocolate. Okay. This is rough. We'll draw fairly also. I'm just giving you an idea. Now 25%. So what is the fraction? 25 by 100. That is 1 by 4th fraction. So 1 by 4th of 360. If we find, so 1 by 4 of this multiply 360. So 4 ones are 4, 4 9s are 36, 90 ones are 90. So 90 degree. 90 degree it means one right angle. Okay. So here it is for vanilla. Okay. This is for vanilla. Now for other flavor, same 25%, that is 1 by 4. So here this is for other flavor. Fine. Understood? So like this, you will get such graph or chart. Okay. Now let's see how we will draw particularly. Yes, children. So now we will draw. First of all, we will draw this 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree is like how we draw 180 degree. This point should coincide with this one, right? And this line should coincide with this line. Okay. And now we'll draw. So now here you can see this line is 180 degrees. So I'm just drawing. Okay, I have already marked the point. Now I'm just drawing this line 180 degree. So yes. So you can see this one is 180 degree and it is the portion of chocolate. Okay, and it is the portion of chocolate. Now next fraction is 1 by 4th of 360, that is 90 degree. So now see, we started from this point. Now we reached till here. So now this one will work as baseline. So here we will draw 180 degree, 90 degree as 1/4. Again same thing, this point should coincide with this point and this line should coincide with that line. Okay. So here you can see, yes, now 90 degree. So 90 degree, yes, you can see 90 degrees coming here. So we'll draw the line. Okay, so we'll draw line till here only, till circumference. So now this is 90 degree. And this is the portion of vanilla. Okay, now rest 90 degree is the portion of other flavors. So this is the 90 degree, that's 90 degree, which is a portion of other flavors. Other flavors, right? So like this we draw pie chart. Okay. So yes, children, so you understood that how to draw this pie chart. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye-bye. Take care and do revise.